Hello friends, I hope you are doing well and enjoying my videos. Did you know that you can communicate with the universe? You also know that we can use this ability to manifest what we desire in life. Furthermore, we understand that we are all created from the universe. This realization empowers us to transform our lives. By surrounding ourselves with positive energy, we can connect with the universe and achieve great things. In this video, I will teach you how to effectively communicate with the universe and tap into its power. Once you master this skill, nothing can prevent you from establishing a strong connection. Meeting new people and gaining fresh experiences are all manifestations of the universe's power working in our lives. Now, let me guide you on how to communicate with the universe and establish a profound relationship with it. You have the ability to speak with the universe and create the life you desire. The first step is to understand that you need to shift the frequency of your emotions. You must transform the inner power and desires that reside within you. This will lead to a profound realization and attract new sources of life. Open your mind to think differently and be ready to embrace change. Are you all ready? Are you prepared? When you communicate with the universe with heightened awareness, it reflects in the environment around you. Everything you see is influenced by this connection. Each new experience you attract is a result of the universe's power. Just like when we shout from a mountain and hear an echo in return, communicating with the universe follows a similar principle. Once you grasp this power and desire to manifest events in your life, such as new relationships, job opportunities, abundance, or peace, everything becomes possible. In today's video, I will share easy ways for you to achieve these desires. You will learn how to communicate with the universe, express your desires, and witness them manifest. However, it's important to note that a regular person who hasn't watched my videos may not understand the significance of these concepts. Therefore, I kindly request all my boys, girls, and friends to watch and share this video. If you find value in it, please like, share, and watch until the end. The video contains the phone number to reach out to the universe. Are you eager to obtain this number? Let's begin. To establish a strong relationship with the universe, it is essential to understand the principles of attraction and how the universe operates. Scientists and researchers have yet to unravel all the mysteries surrounding the universe. It is an infinite and powerful force that encompasses everything. To build a profound connection with the universe, you must first believe in its infinite power, just as you believe in God, Allah, or any higher being. Next, you need to align yourself with the divine energy it possesses and be patient for the results. The universe bestows its divine power upon you in various ways. It can provide answers to your questions through signs like a passing airplane, a phone call, or unexpected occurrences that defy logic. All of this unfolds within your imagination, empowering you with a unique strength. Another crucial aspect is setting clear goals. Define how you want to communicate with the universe and what you expect from it. Take time to understand your own desires and intentions. Reflect on what you truly want, even if it seems unattainable. There's always a reason why something may not come easily. If you establish a connection with the universe through negativity and ill intentions, your prayers may not be answered. Wholeheartedly experience the power of the universe with good intentions, letting your heart and mind guide you. Connect with the universe by closing your eyes, focusing on your heart, and taking deep breaths. Concentrate on your intentions and allow your desires to become stronger. Imagination plays a vital role in this process. Close your eyes and genuinely visualize the powers of the universe. Feel as if you are already experiencing these powers, engaging all your senses. Immerse yourself in the feelings you want to manifest, and let them touch your body. When you imagine a specific situation, engage all your senses in that visualization. Feel it deeply with your entire being. By connecting your senses to your prayers, you enhance your experience of the universe's powers. Express gratitude towards the universe. When you are in a state of peace and contentment, when you communicate with the universe and ask questions, express your gratitude. Start incorporating this practice into your life because your experience is being conveyed to the universe, and it will listen to your prayers. The universe will reciprocate your gratitude and send positive energy back to you. Close your eyes and try to sense the manifestation of your prayers in your surroundings. Completely immerse yourself in the connection with the universe. Once you establish this connection, let go of control. Trust that the universe knows what to do and will take your desires into consideration. This power doesn't mean you can communicate with the universe 24/7. Your prayers are not as simple as sending a package via courier. Instead, adopt a positive mindset and lead a positive life aligned with your desires. Understand that you may not receive your prayers immediately, as I mentioned before. So, remain positive and attentive to the changes occurring in your environment. Be aware of the signs from the universe. Pay attention to the messages it sends, attempting to understand its intentions. Be open and ready to interpret these signs. Most importantly, have unwavering faith in the universe, and you will receive what you desire. Believe that whatever you pray for and send out to the universe will come back to you at the right time. Once you've finished praying, trust that your prayers have been heard and the results are on their way. Express gratitude and compassion every day towards your prayers. Speak to the universe and let its light shine upon your life. Remember to keep your promises and have faith in yourself. Understand who you are praying to, whether it's God or a higher power, but first and foremost, understand yourself. Realize your own potential and believe in yourself. Once you have faith in yourself, the universe will listen. Take care and stay well. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Regenerate response.